What is the coolest thing you do in Notion? First Laston says, I've set up an entire marketing agency system. Accounting software syncs with Notion. Notion manages all client information, including tasks. There's been a huge amount of fine-tuning to get templates right for every database, from projects to meetings to companies to timesheets. We've got formulas and automations to remind users to keep contacts warm, keep tasks and projects on budget, and to reconcile quoted versus actuals and billables versus non-billables. The next step is to standardize how we deliver our products by structuring delivery in Notion. Then I can trust standards are met and we're staying in scope. Judson12241224 says, I created a few different things in Notion that I'm very proud of. Knowledge management system. I created an information database to track all my reading studies in one ecosystem to have a digital second brain for myself. Encyclopedia system. A topic index database on different terms in society and history grouped by topic groups. Allows me to have flashcards and be well versed in many different areas and concepts at once. Productivity system. An ecosystem of tasks and projects linked together to organize my work and productivity so that I can make methodical progress towards my long-term aims.